In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the partial payments from customers. So let's get started. So in this transaction on 7 January 2024, it says cash received from HK Brooks and Company. So we have received this payment from our customer and the total amount is 120,000. Now we haven't sold anything to this customer during this year. But if we check the opening balances, we have the balance of 550,000 here, out of which he is paying us which amount? He's paying us 120,000. So let's see how we can enter this in QuickBooks. Now from the main screen, I'll go to the receive payment section. And from here, let's select the customer, which is HK Brooks and Company. Now it's showing the total balance as of 1st of January 2024, which is our opening balance transaction. So I'll just check this and click yes to calculate automatically. Now calculating automatically means that if I check this particular payment, it is considered that I'm paying the full amount, and hence it is written here that I'm paying 550,000. But that's not the case. I'm paying 120,000. So let's mention it manually and let's change the date, and date is 7th of January. So let's change 7th of January. You can put any reference number and we can leave this as an underpayment. But even if we mark this as cash, because we are received in cash, right? But still we are not depositing that directly into the cash account. Rather, we are depositing it by default in undeposited funds. So if you don't want that, I can go to Edit, Preferences and change that. Now this is from the main menu on the top. I'll go to Edit, Preferences and click on Payments and Company Preferences. From here, you can uncheck this option. Use undeposited fund as our default deposit to account. Let's uncheck this and click OK. Now let's click OK. You have not recorded this transaction. Do you want to record it now? We will click no for now because we directly want to enter the correct transaction. Now we have to manually click on the home tab again to see all of this flowchart. And now let's go to receive payments again and let's select our customer, which is this one. Let's select the payment. Yes, calculate automatically, but we will change that manually. The amount is 120,000, which will be treated as underpayment, and we are paying on 7th of January. Let's put any reference number, and here the default deposit to account will be cash. So it directly goes in cash. Let's click on save and new, and let's go back quickly to check the journal entry of it. So this one was the entry. I'll go to the reports and click on transaction journal. So this is the entry. Cash is debit and against cash, credit is account receivable. So this is how you can receive the partial payment against the customer. Now, when I click and select the customer again to receive further payment, it will show you the pending balance. Out of original amount of 550,000, amount due is 430,000 now because we have received 120,000. So guys, this is how you can deal with the partial payment from customer received in QuickBooks.